Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to turn the metronome on and off on a Stylophone beat. And these will be the easiest instructions, so without further ado, let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, I have my Stylophone beat. I got this rather recently and I played with it a little bit. I made some beats with it and I really like it. So I just want to do a simple tutorial showing you exactly how to turn the metronome on and off. Now the metronome is otherwise known as a click, okay? Because it makes a clicking sound. So it's very simple. We are going to turn the unit on. So I'm going to power it on just like that. I'm going to get the stylus out. So I'm just going to pop the stylus out of place right there. And now we are going to turn the metronome on. It's very simple. You are going to hit play with the stylus right here. Okay? And we can see the light is flashing right there. Now we're going to hit click. There is the metronome, otherwise known as the click. Make it faster with the knob. Slow it down now. Very simple, okay? You're like, I came to learn about the metronome, not to learn how to rap. Listen, you're getting both in this video, okay? Very simple. Okay, to turn the metronome off, all we're gonna do is we are going to hit the click button again. So I'm gonna hit the click button. The metronome has now turned off. Hitting the click again will turn it back on. And hitting the click again will turn it back off. Very simple. Okay, I'm just gonna hit play to stop that light from flashing. And that's basically it. Very easy. Very easy to do. I showed you the basics of turning the metronome on and off. I tried to keep this video really simplistic. Hopefully you enjoyed the simplicity of the video, and hopefully you can make use of the instructions on your own Stylophone beat if that's what you want to do in terms of turning the metronome on and off. That's it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Other than that, I've got nothing else for you. So with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.